everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're curious about the new Sora video app from OpenAI, I'll explain everything you need to know. Let's get started. So what is Sora? Sora is a new AI app that generates video clips. It can even create videos featuring your own likeness or public figure using a feature called cameos. Cameos lets you build a digital version of yourself so you can appear in your own video or appear in your friend's creation. You can also use Sora to reimagine your existing video, animate images, and remix other user video. The app is free and available in US and Canada with worldwide release coming soon. So how does Sora work? You can just type in the text description and then tap on this button. And just like that, Sora generates a video based on your prompt. You can be as specific as you want. Camera angles, styles, details, and many more. Sora is also special because it understands motions and physics, like how water moves, how light reflects, or how a person walks. This makes your video look much more realistic. If you want to try Sora yourself, simply open up a browser in the search bar, search for Sora.com, and then log in to your account. Well, that's it. That is everything you need to know about Sora app from OpenAI. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.